Here we have a standard water pump you'll find on most cars, aluminum housing. And then you have this impeller that's spun by the drive belt when you actually have the pulley on the front of this water pump that circulates coolant throughout the system. You know, very simple, not a big deal. And then you come to the German car. This is the Volkswagen Passat engine. You have a pulley that actually operates the water pump. And this is your water pump. Both onto the front of the engine. And it's quite a pain to get off, completely over-engineered.